Hi everybody, Clint Beckstead here with Midwest. A couple of weeks ago we introduced you to the new Adura display and program that we put together. And today we want to talk to you about our new Legacy program. Legacy ties in very nicely with our Adura and our Momentum. As you can see, it fits into the display program that we make here at Midwest. It is a brand that we created. It's a private label brand for just Midwest, which gives you the advantage of knowing that your consumer won't find it online, they won't find it in the big box stores, they won't find it at Costco, they won't find it at Floor & Decor. So it's really catered to the specialty floor covering retailer like yourself. The colors that we've chosen, we choose for our market. So it's a display that you can be comfortable with knowing that the colors sell in our market. And we'll continue to update those colors and always introduce new strong colors. In fact, we have 7 new colors on the water that'll be added to this display here within the next couple of months. Every sample on the display has a QR code that'll take you right to the website for Legacy, that'll give you room scenes, it'll give you warranty information, installation information, maintenance information, so that your consumer can research the product and feel comfortable with the product before they make the purchase. It really is a value product. We brought it in to hit some price points that we just couldn't fill with other products. And so if you're looking for a need for a private sale, for one of your builders, for a project where you need to hit a price point, please give us a call, because this is a product that we can utilize to hit those price points. The majority of the products in here are a 20 mil SPC floor, and 20 mil seems to be the standard that people are looking for today. We do have a full range of moldings, matching moldings for every color, and we're excited to introduce that we have full stair treads for every color in the Legacy program. These are now in stock here at Midwest. We will continue to expand on the Legacy brand. Many of you may be familiar, we just introduced a hardwood product called Summit Springs in Legacy. We do have porcelain tile on the way and also laminate flooring on the way, all under the Legacy brand. So please get with your Midwest salesperson and we'll find a way to partner. Thank you.